A neon tester is also called a line tester. Is a primary tool used to detect the live or the line or the hot or the phase wire or the conductor of an electrical circuit. It is one of the most important tools of an electrician. The voltage range of the neon line tester is between 110 up to 700 volts in an AC supply. So never try to work on electricity without proper guidance and care. And first, ensure that the line tester is working properly. Then ensure that the line tester is not broken. Then don't touch the open electric wire. Even neon line tester shows the absence of phase or hot supply. And the last one, never try to test the presence of phase or hot wire of any high voltage supply source with a neon line tester. The neon tester is a tool used to identify the phase or line wire. This tester is a combination of 6 different main parts, namely the metallic rod, the resistance, the neon lamp, the spring, the metallic touch screw, and insulated transparent plastic body. So as you see, it has different parts and used for different operations. Combination pliers, also known as layman's pliers, are a type of pliers that can perform more than one function in a single tool. This will usually be both gripping and cutting. They are typically cutting plier, usually known as a diagonal plier, are used to be an essential tool for those who conduct electric works and carpentry. These pliers are usually the most important for an electrician. Needle nose pliers are also known as long nose pliers, and the snip nose pliers are both cutting and holding pliers used by artisans, jewelry designers, electricians, network engineers, and other tradesmen to bend, reposition, and snip the different parts of a wire. Wire strippers is a tool specifically designed for removing insulation from wires accurately. Unlike clippers and others, when properly used, they allow you to strip wires without damaging their conductive strands, which could affect the wire's conductivity. Also, a wire stripper is a hand tool designed to accurately remove a small portion of the insulated layer from electrical wires in preparation for soldering, connecting, and repairing. A star-headed screwdriver is among the popular options and its head is like a Phillips head screwdriver and star drive. So we will dive deep into understanding the strengths and weakness of each part of these tools, and it's very important for screwdrivers to drive and screw. A flathead screwdriver is also called a flat screwdriver. Has a wedge-shaped flat tip. Is used to loosen or tighten the screws that has a linear, straight notch on their heads. It is the most commonly used screwdriver in the world. Also, multiple screwdriver is among the type of screwdrivers that has multiple choices. Okay, its end or its tip is changed to different forms. Okay, it has different choices. Adjustable wrench is also known as adjustable spanner or a shifting spanner. Is a type of spanner which has a movable jaw that can be used with different size of fastener head. It is a tool that can be used to loosen or tighten a nut or a bolt. The wrench can be adjusted into a different dimensions. So this is among the tools that are used by an electrician to fix different types and bolts while working in the field. So it has a different forms. This is another type of adjustable wrench that is used by an electrician to tighten or loosen a bolt. So it can fit a variety of hexagonal nuts. So it can be adjusted into different forms. Another type of wrench is called a box wrench. It has two ends and is also known as a box end wrench. which is a type of a tool that is used to tighten or loosen a bolt or nut, and it is a type of wrench that has a closed loop or a box shaped in that fits snugly over the bolt or the nut. The other one is an electric knife. An electric knife is a kitchen device used for slicing foods. It consists of two serrated blades that move lengthways in sawing action, which the appliance is switched on. The motorized blades make cutting easier and more efficient. So this electric knife is among the type of knives that is used to slice the different parts of the wire. Also, a ball or a pin hammer is used for different purposes in electric installation works, and it is used to nail different a multiple screw set have different point types based on the characteristics required out of them. A few examples of its point type are plain cap, flat oval, cone, flat dog, and soft tipped. These are among the types of multiple screw sets. So a set screw is a screw used to secure an object within against another object. So we have different options to in this screw set. Once you figured out what type of your set screw is, it is time to look at the set screw size for it. So there are two classifications for standard sizes: small diameter and large diameter. Here also an Allen key set. An Allen key is actually just another name for a hex key. The term Allen comes from the American manufacturing company, which first introduced this type of tool in the early 1990s, which is L-shaped tool with a hexagonal cross section designed to insert into the hexagonal socket. A tapemeter is a measuring tool. Is a long flexible ruler used to measure length or distance. It usually consists of a ribbon of cloth, plastic, fiberglass, or a metal strip with linear measurement marking. A clamping tool. A clamping tool is a tool used to deform the material and create the connection. Clamping is commonly used in electrical work to attach wires together or to wire to another connectors. In addition, it is used in in network connections systems to connect the different parts of network. A wire cutter is also known as a diagonal plier. In another name, is a hand tool used to primarily for cutting a wire. They can be used to cut a variety of other materials such as cable, thin metal, and plastic. Wire cutters come in different shapes and sizes, which determine their specific functions. And the tweezer is also a type of device that an electrician is using. A hole saw is also an equipment an electrician uses to cut a given part of material, maybe a wood or a plastic, in a circular form, and it is used for different purposes. A rechargeable drill machine. A rechargeable drilling machine is a portable power tool that can be used again and without the need of external power supply. Moreover, a rechargeable drilling machine can be used for many occasions from long-term service. And this one, the hammer drill machine, is among the powerful tools that are commonly used in construction and different projects. These machines are specifically designed to drill into a hard surface such as concrete, brick, and masonry. Unlike regular drills, hammer drills feature a hammering action that helps to break through tough materials. This hammering action is created by an internal mechanism that rapidly points the drill bit towards forward and backward, which simultaneously rotating. The combination of this hammering and rotating action allows the drill bit to easily penetrate hard surfaces, and they are highly efficient and can save a lot of time and effort compared to traditional drilling methods. Whether you are a professional contractor or a DIY specialist, a hammer drill machine is essential tool to have in your project or in your arsenal. So it's best recommended for you to use this a hammer drill machine. And also these bending discs are among the types of equipment that an electrician uses, and it is used to bend different parts of a wire according to the requirement, that's according to the work that is needed. A hacksaw blade is used to cut different parts like a wood, plastic, or even a wire that is used for different purposes. And also the digital tester is the best one that is used to test the presence or absence of a voltage digitally. And a digital multimeter it's a very important part. It's an important device for every electrician to use it to measure different quantities like voltage, current, and resistance, and continuity. And it must be used in every step. And the kiloamp meter is also used to measure a current in the conductor without direct connection to it's the field created around the wire is used to measure the amount of current flowing inside the conductor. And if possible, an electrician must also include a community tester. And the last one, a hydrometer. A hydrometer is an instrument used to measure the density of liquid when the density of liquid is compared to water. So hydrometer is used. Let me ask you one thing. What is the relationship? Why a hydrometer is needed for an electrician? Please write or comment below. And if you have more tools that an electrician has to use, just